So some psycho people looking at me and trying to come after me because, you know, I won't fuck around when it comes to my kids. You know that. You know, I want to know you're alive and you're okay. You know that I'm never going to see you again or have a body to bury. And that's the way I feel right now. Well, I don't want to feel that way now, sir. I love you. You don't know how it feels to be a mom and know right here it's like 70. We're watching fireworks right now. Andrew's son's here and Frankie and Kevin and everyone. Who's Crystal? Hello. Oh, we're doing good. We're just watching fireworks right now. I want to know she's okay. That's my daughter. You know. All she is, you know, and the thing is, like I told her, she's got to understand where I'm coming from. That's my flesh and blood. Just go over there and tell her.
That's fucking sick, huh?
We got like these red lights coming off these white lights right now. And that big, huge white one went and looks like a palm tree in the sky. We're watching fireworks right now. Alrighty, you take care. Now we're watching all the fireworks go off right now. Anyway, you want to say hi, Rob? Okay, well let me let you say hi to your brother because he's worried about you too. I love you. Just give me a call. Grandma's okay? Here's Travis. I love you. Here, say hi real quick.
Who is it?
She hung up. Just call the number back.
Who is it?
Call the number back. That's it.
Yeah, probably.
Whoa!
Where are you at?
Something, no more. Dang! Something just flew across. Did you see that?
I saw it.
What the fuck was that?
We're in the fire right
With a UFO.
It's going to come shoot right up at us. These batteries suck.
Wow. They're having a good time this year. I wonder if anyone that's sitting like right directly below it is
Yeah.
Woo! Damn. They must have spent a lot of money on this one.
Imagine being on the oil. Seeing it from like here to downtown, you know? Dude.
Is that it?
No.
Nope. This is the grand finale right here.
About 5 more minutes. About 20 minutes long.
Seriously. She hung up.
She did? Why?
I talked to her for a little bit.
She hung up?
Yeah, she said she'll keep in touch. I don't know if she will.
I just told her we want her to be happy and we want to know.
Woo! That was good.
Damn. Wonder if that was supposed to do. Woo!
That's what my arm was.
Woo!
A happy face.
Look at that. Oh my God, that's beautiful. You know that's what it looks like when they're fighting anymore. That t-t-t-t-t on the bottom. Yay! Oh shit, here they come, they're gonna get us. Ooh, that one didn't, you see it? It didn't go all the way. Kind of lit on fire and dropped. Then you hear someone scream, no! Just kidding. That'd be sad.
I want to go on the internet. It's just like, I went to FD.
The Hatchet has a good fireworks show too. Are you getting scared, Mona?
No. I'm trying, hoping my camera doesn't die until I get cheap batteries I bought. gonna get that one on with my camera here.
No, those ones are going above your house. No. Holy shit, they're gonna go. Dang. What was it if it misfired? It was right on it. Right here.
No, it wouldn't be funny. It's like burning up today.
Shit. That is good.
Woo!
Get closer.
Nah, they're not.
I like those. Those are cool.
Woo!
Those are the palm trees.
Mhm.
Can't even see them when they're up there. They're tiny. This is the finale. Da, 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 da. Oh, beautiful. Sit right there. Can you see that? Mention all the colors from the bottom. Wow. Coming to get you.
Woo!
I think they're all done, huh?